Ever wondered why that stubborn belly fat won't just melt away, no matter what you try? More importantly, do you know the implications it has on your health? It's a question that haunts many of us. We wage relentless wars against our waistlines, but it often feels like an uphill battle. And it's not just about fitting into those skinny jeans. Belly fat can be a silent killer, lurking beneath the surface. Belly fat isn't just about looks, it's a serious health concern. But why does it accumulate in the first place? To tackle belly fat, we first need to understand the culprits behind its accumulation. One of the major contributors is an unhealthy diet, particularly one that is high in fats, sugars, and processed foods. These foods not only pack on the pounds, but they also change the way your body breaks down and stores fat, often leading to more accumulation in the belly region. Another key factor is a lack of physical activity. When our bodies aren't moving, they aren't burning calories. This means that any excess energy we consume is stored as fat, and for many of us, that storage place is our midsection. Genetics also play a role in belly fat. If your parents or other close relatives carry extra weight in the belly, you might be genetically predisposed to do so as well. While we can't change our genes, we can change our lifestyle habits to combat this predisposition. Last but not least, stress is a sneaky contributor to belly fat. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite and consequently, weight gain. It also tends to promote fat storage in the belly area. Now that we know what causes belly fat, let's delve into the health risks it poses. Carrying extra weight around your middle poses more health risks than you might think. It's not just about appearances, it's a matter of your health and well-being. Belly fat, especially the kind that settles deep inside your abdomen, can be quite detrimental. It's linked to serious health problems including heart disease, the #1 killer worldwide. This visceral fat can increase your LDL, or bad cholesterol, and decrease your HDL, or good cholesterol, leading to plaque buildup in your arteries and increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. But that's not all. Excess belly fat can also make your body less sensitive to insulin, the hormone that regulates your blood sugar. This can lead to type 2 diabetes, a condition that affects millions of people globally. Moreover, this stubborn fat can even increase the risk of certain types of cancer. These risks are serious, but there are ways to manage and reduce your belly fat. Reducing belly fat is possible with the right approach to diet, exercise, and stress management. Let's delve into these strategies further. First, let's talk about diet. You don't have to starve yourself to lose belly fat. Instead, focus on a balanced diet. Include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals. These foods are not only low in calories but also high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce overeating. Don't forget to limit sugary drinks and high-fat foods. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for overall health and can help you shed belly fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can be as simple as brisk walking or cycling. But if you want to target belly fat specifically, include exercises like planks, burpees, and mountain climbers in your routine. These exercises work your core muscles, helping to trim your waistline. Lastly, let's discuss stress management. High levels of stress can lead to weight gain, particularly around your midsection. Engaging in relaxation techniques can help manage stress levels. These methods include listening to calming music, practicing mindfulness, or even indulging in a hobby you love. These activities can help manage stress levels, and in turn, assist in reducing belly fat. Remember, every little step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Start today and see the difference it makes. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's time to take action. Just think, a few tweaks in your daily routine could pave the way to a healthier you. Implement the tips and exercises we've discussed. Remember, it's not about drastic overnight changes, but small, consistent steps that make a big difference. Reducing belly fat isn't just about looking good, it's about living a healthier, happier life. Start your journey towards a healthier you today and say goodbye to belly fat. Remember, your health is your wealth.